On September 27, 2025, at approximately 2:00 p.m. New York time, a sonic boom reverberated throughout the internet. We were eyewitnesses to a transformative event that will shape the internet forever. As we slowly come back to Earth after this out-of-body experience, we realize it has changed perspectives and removed all doubts about Mr. Ashmufareh. Loyal founders already knew his character, even without knowing the details. We knew because Mr. Ashmufareh has always focused on people as opposed to himself. The information revealed publicly shows the true extent of his love for people. This webinar laid down a blueprint for all of us who are now founders and affiliates. The persistent thought in my mind and Bill Must's mind was that there had to be a reward for those loyal to the old vehicle. The reward is eventually being able to qualify to get into the new company. He came up with a stroke of genius to address the bad elements who demonstrated their negative attitudes openly or secretly. In update number 15, he stated that you must be a part of a quantifying and qualifying process. This means the only thing that remains the same is the connection from the old company to the new company via a bridge he formed. That bridge has safety checkpoints, and you will have to qualify to receive the benefits laid out on September 27th. All the bad characters who operated fraudulently are now stuck in the abandoned vehicle. They will not have a snowball's chance in the hottest situation to survive and enter the new company. The bridge has a qualifying application with 11 questions that starts the vetting process. Even if bad characters circumvent that, they must go through KYC verification, which eliminates the human bots. Those who have done negative activities will not pass through to the new victoryWithAsh platform. For those who pass the inspection, look at what Mr. Mufareh has promised the loyal founders. Can you imagine being accepted for free into an institution of higher learning in technology and marketing? victoryWithAsh will expose loyal founders to things that will totally revolutionize their lives financially and socially. The courses given within the institute will not be understood by those on the outside. We can't believe we are the recipients of something this grand, complete with state-of-the-art in-house technology. The most mind-boggling part is that we still don't even know what products the new company will have to further our success. The speculation stopped for everybody when Mr. Mufareh finished the webinar. Now, anyone who wants to get into the victoryWithAsh Institute of Advanced Technology Learning must be invited by those already in the new company. The tables have turned, and people will be chasing us for access to this new system. Therefore, be on your best behavior and do not do anything stupid. All you have to do is wait, and you will not be disappointed. Mr. Mufareh also announced a private session, and those who were invited were mesmerized for 3 hours. We made an oath that what was discussed in that private session could not be revealed. That private group can be scaled up, and your entry is based on your actions as a founder. This is not a closed club, but an expanding one, so be on your best behavior to hopefully one day receive a link from Mr. Mufareh saying, "Welcome to the club."